DJI, a brand especially known for its excellent drone technology, is once again ready to shake up the industry. Recent FCC filings have revealed their latest innovation, the DJI Neo. This drone is rumored to be small enough to even fit in your pockets. While DJI already dominates the sub-250G category with their Mini series, the Neo appears to target an even more compact niche. Following the success of nano drones like the Hover Air X1, DJI seems determined to offer its take on an ultra-portable, possibly self-flying drone. In today's video, we will discuss all the leaks and rumors about the features of this upcoming drone along with a possible price range and release date. So, let's get started. The DJI Neo is ready to redefine compact drones with its super portable design. Significantly smaller than other DJI models like the Mini 4 Pro, this pocket-sized drone is estimated to weigh only 169 grams. Its standout feature is a full propeller cage, enhancing safety for indoor flights while giving the drone a distinct, enclosed appearance. The Neo's design likely incorporates a foldable structure, allowing it to collapse into an incredibly compact form factor. When folded, it's expected to easily slip into a pocket, making it one of the most portable drones in DJI's lineup. This innovative design could make the Neo an ideal companion for beginner drone enthusiasts. The upcoming DJI Neo is speculated to have a single-axis gimbal and a built-in camera, ensuring decent image stabilization and quality for its size. Not much information about the camera is available at this moment. It is expected to offer hand takeoff and landing capabilities, making it exceptionally user-friendly. It might incorporate some of DJI's renowned automated flying features like obstacle avoidance and hover features. The Neo is being positioned as great for beginners, indicating simplified controls and possibly some autonomous flight modes. While it's unclear if it's a flying selfie camera or a Cinewhoop-style drone, the lack of an FPV headset in a leaked footage suggests it may lean towards the first option, competing with devices like the Hover Air X1. The DJI Neo's battery is a key factor in its compact design. It is rumored to be equipped with a 1,435 mAh battery. Drone experts estimate the battery weight at 52.5 grams, assuming a 200 watt-hours or kilogram energy density. It should provide a flying time of around a decent 15 minutes. This is slightly less backup time than the recently released Mini 4 Pro. Despite its small size, the battery is expected to provide a respectable flight time for its class. The DJI Neo's pricing details come from a leaked Walmart listing, suggesting the Fly More combo could be priced at $329. This positions it as an affordable entry in DJI's lineup, potentially targeting beginners or those seeking a highly portable drone. While unconfirmed, this price point is significantly lower than the DJI Mini 4 Pro, which starts at $759 for the basic kit, making the Neo an attractive option for budget-conscious consumers. Even though no news about its release date is available yet, the FCC appearance and pricing leak indicate that we can hope for an official announcement within Q1 of 2025, if not this year. The DJI Neo represents a groundbreaking entry into the portable drone market. With its super lightweight design and enough to fit in a pocket, the Neo is sure to redefine portability in the drone world. The inclusion of a propeller cage suggests a focus on safety and indoor usability, while the rumored single-axis gimbal and built-in camera hint at DJI's commitment to image quality even in small form factors. Features like automated flying modes indicate that DJI is targeting beginners and casual users with this drone. The leaked price point of the Fly More combo positions the Neo as an attractive, budget-friendly option in DJI's lineup. However, it's important to remember that much of this information is based on leaks and speculation. The exact specifications, capabilities, and release date for the Neo remain uncertain, but the potential for DJI to bring its renowned technology to an ultra-compact drone is undeniably exciting. That's all for today. Let us know what you think about the upcoming Neo by DJI. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more updates.